Factory Find, I'm Guard Swanson. When was the last time you had your sewer inspected? It may be a dirty job, but it's key to saving you big money down the road. I wanted to see how the pros get the job done, so I tagged along with our friends at Bob Oates. When it comes to plumbing issues, Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter is one-stop shopping.
Water lines, sewer repairs, sewer jetting. We repair anything inside the house. We have a whole team of journeyman plumbers that take care of the inside, and then we have a whole crew of underground utilities that do the outside.
Bob Oates is so successful, they are expanding, now covering nearly all of the Puget Sound.
We just opened a location up in Linwood. It's servicing Snohomish County and North King County, so we're taking on Bothell, Snohomish, Edmonds, Everett, Mountain Lake Terrace, all that area up there. We want to offer our services up there as well and do good by the community.
Today, I tagged along with Casey and his team to see them work their magic.
Well, yeah, Guard, what we have here is a beautiful old corner brick Ballard home.
I love these. How old is this baby?
This thing's got to be from the 40s or 50s, I'd imagine.
Oh, man. So it could have some problems underneath the ground, right?
Oh, we know it has some problems. I've cleaned this sewer a few times in the past.
Casey started by inspecting the pipe with this camera.
There's some big mamas down here.
Oh, man. I have to admit, it's kind of creepy looking at this.
Some people described it to me as a colonoscopy for your house.
Oh. How many feet away are the roots?
We are 65 feet or so down the line right now, and that is the one I cannot get past with the camera at the moment.
God, look at that. That is disgusting looking.
That's the name of the game, man. 65 feet out.
Once Casey and the crew figured out the problem with the help of the scope, they brought in this big guy.
This is our Spartan 1065 machine. This thing is designed to rip roots out of sewers.
This thing's huge.
Yes, yes, and look at the teeth on that thing.
Oh my God. Yeah. Minutes later, Casey started attacking this common root issue. The median age of a home in Seattle is about 51 years, exactly the age of this home. And most homes in Washington State have never had their sewer line scoped and cleaned. This is kind of like going fishing, isn't it?
Yeah, except for a fish you don't want to catch.
So you think you got something?
I think so. Feels like we got a bite at least.
Oh God! Look at that! Oh man!
You caught a whomper, Guard.
That is nasty looking. Now, do you guys have to go back and pull more out, or is that pretty much it?
Yeah, no, we'll give this another run. This thing might take 2 or 3 runs. We'll spend a full hour out here cleaning this line.
Casey continued cleaning and later rescoping the sewer line, making sure all the roots and gunk were gone and the wastewater flowing freely.
It's not the most fun thing to spend your money on. You want to do your bathroom remodels, you want to buy a new car, but when that sewer line backs up and you've neglected it, you're going to be kicking yourself and wishing you had.
Bob Oates Sewer and Rooter, doing the dirty work, so your life is cleaner and happier.
Oh, it's good. Gives the satisfaction, gives some customer peace of mind. It feels good.
Bob Oates doing it right.
That's right.
Bob Oates has a special offer for refined viewers with a complimentary inspection. Just head to boboates.com and use the promo code BobOates22. Again, Bob Oates now has a new north office, expanding their services to Snohomish County as far north as Everett.